Welcome to my channel. Why is my router overheating? Simple solutions that work. Step 1. Check router placement. Make sure your router is sitting in an open area with plenty of airflow. Avoid placing it inside cabinets, drawers, or behind large objects that trap heat. Step 2. Clean the air vents. Dust can block the ventilation holes and cause the router to heat up. Use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the vents every few months. Step 3. Keep it away from heat sources. Do not place your router near windows with direct sunlight, heaters, ovens, gaming consoles, or other electronics that generate heat. Step 4. Turn off the router for a few minutes. If the router feels unusually hot, unplug it for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the internal components to cool down before restarting. Step 5. Check for firmware updates. Router manufacturers often release firmware updates that improve performance and fix overheating or stability issues. Install the latest version through your router's settings. Step 6. Reduce heavy network load. Too many connected devices or large downloads can make the router work harder. Disconnect unused devices and pause unnecessary downloads when possible. Step 7. Inspect the power adapter. Using the wrong or damaged power adapter can cause overheating. Always use the original adapter or an approved replacement with the correct voltage and current. Step 8. Improve air circulation. Leave at least a few inches of space around the router. If your room gets very warm, using a small USB fan nearby can help improve cooling. Step 9. Watch for warning signs. Frequent Wi-Fi disconnects, slow internet speeds, random restarts, or an extremely hot case are signs that the router may be overheating and needs attention. Step 10. Replace an aging router. If your router is more than 5 to 7 years old and continues to overheat after trying these fixes, it may be time to replace it. Newer routers are more energy efficient, run cooler, and offer faster, more reliable Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.